beautiful model, Paige, who's more than happy to lie and lounge around and be palpated for this one. And today we're going to be covering the cranial draw test and the tibial thrust test. And both of these tests look at the CCL, or sort of more commonly known as the ACL. And the ACL role in the dog is to prevent hyperextension and particularly internal rotation of the stifle, and also stops the lower part of the leg, so the tibia, translating forward or cranially from the femur. So to test this, you need the dog nice and relaxed. You're going to place one index finger on the patella, and then the thumb and the other finger sort of slide that behind the back of the femur, and the other hand with the index finger on the tibial tuberosity. Now the starting position for this, you want the hip kind of neutral, if not a little bit extended, just so that hamstrings is not going to get involved in the movement. So I'm just going to extend Paige's hip out a little bit. My index fingers are where they need to be, so on the patella and the tibial tuberosity. And with my thumb on my lower hand, all I'm going to do is try to draw or glide the tibia forward of the femur. Paige doesn't have any sort of CCL deficiency, so she's got a nice stable feel in through there, so no laxity in there. The other one is the tibial thrust test, so similar starting position, so hip either neutral or slightly extended. With my left hand, my index finger, I'm going to actually this time place this one on the tibial tuberosity, and with my other hand, all I'm going to do is just flex the hock. And for a deficient CCL, what I would feel is my index finger on the tibial tuberosity sort of be shifted forward. So what we're actually kind of doing is tightening up and pulling on the calf muscle at the back, and in a CCL deficient knee stifle, it would translate forward with the tibia. So those are the two tests to help with distinguishing whether or not you think the dog has a CCL deficient stifle. Lucky for Paige being a greyhound, they actually have less than 10% of the population of dogs that suffer from a CCL deficiency, so she's in good nick. Thanks for watching.